Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I am here. This is the second question. Find the lines and angle between them. All of you know that the type of this equation, this is the combination of a two linear equation. It means this is an equation of two straight lines, the combination of a two straight lines. So find these lines. Okay. So firstly, factorize this equation according to rule. 3x square, 3 to the 6, it means the 6xy plus xy plus 2y square equals 0. So take 3x common, x plus 2y, and here take y common, x plus 2y, x plus 2y, x plus 2y both are same, and 3x plus y equals 0, x plus 2y, this is 0, and 3x plus y, this is 0. So this one, these are our required lines. Okay, this one, these are required lines, straight lines, the equation of a straight line. Okay. So according to my previous lecture, next find the angle between these two lines. So find the angle between these two lines, compare this equation by comparing with the, according to the formula is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equals 0. So according to this one, comparing, so a is equal to 3, b is equal to 2, and 2h is equal to 7, where h is equal to 7 divided by 2. So apply the formula for angle between them. So the formula is tan theta is 2 square root h square minus ab a plus b. Put the values. A is equal to 3, h 7 by 2, a is equal to 3, b is equal to 2, a plus b 3 plus 2, 5 to 49 over 4 minus 3 2s are 6. Take the LCM. 4 6 6 4s are 24. Take the LCM, and then the final result 25 over 4, and this is equal to 2 5 over 2 over 5. 2 2s are cancel, 5 over 5 cancel is 1. Tan theta is equal to 1. So theta angle is tan inverse 1, and all of you know that the tan inverse 1 is 45 degree. This one. Okay. So This is the final, this is the given question. Find the lines, the straight line, these are straight line, then the angle between them is the 45. Okay? So, I hope so you understand this question. If you like this lecture, so please like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care.